Downtown Denver can now tee off for 18 holes all year round, thanks to this family-friendly attraction that exemplifies adaptive reuse. The Old Spaghetti Factory now attracts families of all ages to this Colorado-themed putt-putt course. There's no windmill here, but you will be able to putt through the Red Rocks Amphitheater and more. This is Urban Putt.
This is Denver's first indoor mini putt-putt course with a bar and restaurant included. It's not your typical, come in, you got a little windmill, little greens. We rent all out, and we have a course that is interactive, and we really tried to keep it centered around Denver and or Colorado. Hi, welcome to Urban Putt. Putt your way through downtown Denver.
Well, adaptive reuse is something that is really reimagining opportunities and repurposing spaces to keep them fresh and alive and relevant to our community. And Urban Putt's a great example of that.
It was the Old Spaghetti Factory for many, many years, but before that it was the Denver City Cable Car Company building. So it was built in the late 1800s and has so much history to Denver. And it's a beautiful part of downtown that deserves to be kind of restored and kept. So we did keep the Streetcar, and the Streetcar is an authentic Denver streetcar that used to run the rails in Denver. Steve Fox, he created the first Urban Putt in San Francisco, and he was always just a big mini golf enthusiast. And when he was thinking about expanding Urban Putt, he wanted to look for a bustling central downtown area where there's companies around, but there's also some residential, or if they live downtown, someplace to be able to walk to. And Denver really fits that bill. We have our downtown Denver hole is the very first hole on the course, and you get to play kind of Godzilla in our downtown escape.
We want customers to come back and experience something new every time.
We have our Red Rocks course, which has, of course, the iconic Red Rocks. We have an in-house artist that put just his heart and soul into making this hole.
It's been an awesome experience to hand carve those and to design something to kind of throw homage to something that I really love. I've always loved mini golf since I was a kid. Never really thought that I'd be designing courses, and it's absolutely amazing to see the smiles on people's faces, the excitement.
Urban Putt brings to downtown Denver a little bit of fun and whimsy. It's a place downtown that you can go to have fun, still have really great food, really great cocktails, drinks, a little of something for everybody.
Urban Putt won this award because it's everything we're all about at the Downtown Denver Partnership, and that's creative thinking and repurposing, reimagining, and creating fun and exciting spaces for multi-generations. At the end of the day, it's all about having fun, and it's a great place to have fun.